Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. We are on the 1 hour time frame, and if you saw my full top down of video from Sunday, you know that the weekly and the daily definitely did turn up. Whether or not this whole thing is a crutch into a downtrend is yet to be determined, but if you are trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, I definitely would be recommending longs right now. I definitely would not be trying to go long right now up against a 50% Fibonacci level for the daily and pretty much at the top of an impulsive move. So for me, I would either have to see a pullback to the last wave up, like a higher low, and then continuation of the uptrend, or for me, I would prefer to see a break of structure on the 1 hour. Then, if I see a break of structure on the 1 hour, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of higher highs, higher lows, and then I would look for a Fibonacci bounce at the end of a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci retracement to this last move up. So, like I said, I'm definitely looking for longs, whether it's a pullback to the last series of higher highs, higher lows, or whether it's just a pullback to the last leg of this move up. I have no idea, but we definitely do want to keep an eye out for longs, especially because the higher time frames did turn up. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, take a look at my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Have a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.